If you're in need of a reliable replacement lamp for your Eiki projector, look no further than the Eiki 610-346-9607. This lamp, also known by part numbers 610-346-9607 and 610-346-9607, is compatible with a range of Eiki projectors including the LC, WXL200, LC, XL200, and LC, XL200L. Today, we're going to dive into why this replacement lamp is a top choice for your projector needs. One of the standout features of the Eiki 610-346-9607 replacement lamp is its OEM original bulb. This means you're getting the same high-quality bulb that came with your projector when it was new, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. OEM bulbs are designed to meet the exact specifications of your projector, providing bright, clear images and a long lifespan. The generic housing of this lamp is another aspect worth mentioning. While the bulb is OEM, the housing is a high-quality generic part that fits perfectly into your projector. This combination helps keep the cost down without compromising on the performance. The housing is designed to be easy to install, so you can get your projector up and running in no time. When it comes to performance, the Eiki 610-346-9607 lamp delivers. The brightness and color quality are top-notch, providing vivid and sharp images whether you're using your projector for business presentations, educational purposes, or home entertainment. The lamp's durability also means you won't have to worry about frequent replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. Another great aspect of this replacement lamp is its reliability. Eiki projectors are known for their high quality, and pairing them with a compatible OEM bulb ensures that you're maintaining the integrity of your equipment. Users have reported consistent performance over extended periods, making this lamp a dependable choice for any setting. Installation of the Eiki 610-346-9607 lamp is straightforward and hassle-free. The lamp module comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you'll be able to replace your old lamp without any issues. This ease of installation is a big plus for those who want to avoid the cost and inconvenience of professional installation. In conclusion, the Eiki 610-346-9607 replacement lamp with its OEM original bulb and generic housing is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain the high performance of their Eiki projector. It offers exceptional brightness, color quality, and durability, all while being cost-effective and easy to install. Whether you're using your projector for professional presentations, educational purposes, or home entertainment, this replacement lamp ensures you'll get the best possible performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.